Welcome to the best picks. The best steel buffing compound is probably one of the most sought-after products for achieving a mirror-like shine on your stainless steel appliances, tools, and more. In this video, we will review the top-rated stainless steel buffing compounds available on the market, comparing their performance, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs, whether you're a professional detailer or a DIY enthusiast. Number 5. Chemical Guys SPI_402_16 Polish. It rejuvenates and brings back the luster to tarnished and oxidized metal surfaces, giving them a mirror-like finish. Say goodbye to dull metal. Formulated with natural cleaners and microabrasives, it effectively tackles tarnish and oxidation, restoring the metal's original shine and clarity. Watch it work its magic. It's not just a cleaner, it's also a protector. It seals the metal with protective polymers, warding off future stains, tarnish, and oxidation. Keep your metals looking their best for longer. Suitable for a range of metals including stainless steel, copper, aluminum, brass, and even gold. It provides comprehensive care and protection for all your metal items. One product for all your metal needs. Beginners and professionals alike choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products, world-class customer support, and vast detailing knowledge. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. It rejuvenates and brings back the luster to tarnished metal surfaces, giving them a mirror-like finish. Its natural cleaners and microabrasives effectively tackle tarnish and oxidation. It also seals the metal with protective polymers, warding off future damage. If you're looking for a product that cleans, protects, and leaves a showroom shine, this is for you. What people say. He was impressed with the quality and the shine it gives is very nice. It brought back the shine on the rims, motor, exhaust and chromed out parts. Applies like a wax, you rub on with a towel, wipe off and it's clean and shiny. Smells like a pineapple smoothie too. Number 4. DRIXET 6PC Buffing Compound Kit. Introducing the DRIXET Buffing Compound Kit. It's perfect for achieving a flawless, mirror-like shine on various surfaces. Get ready to restore your valuables to their former glory. Each bar is a different color, making it simple to identify the right level of abrasiveness for your project. This ensures you achieve the best possible results. Simply apply it to a rotating buffing wheel and gently press your workpiece against it. It's that easy to achieve a professional-looking polish. This versatile kit works on a variety of materials, from jewelry and metals to car bodies and appliances. It's your all-in-one solution for polishing needs. You get 6 different polishing compounds, progressing from coarse to fine. This ensures a smooth, even finish every time. Each bar is 4.75 by 1 by 0.75 inches. Say goodbye to dull, tarnished surfaces. This kit helps you restore the shine and luster to your prized possessions, making them look like new. What we like. This kit helps you achieve a smooth and burr-free surface. Each compound is color-coded for easy identification and use in order from coarse to fine. It's designed for use with a polishing wheel, making the process simple and efficient. If you need a variety of compounds for different polishing needs, this set is perfect for you. What people say. The compound bars are quality made, very easy to use with the ability to reuse multiple times. The kit provides a variety of bars depending on the level of abrasiveness. I've found each bar works great ranging from stainless steel, silver, and steel that provides a mirror finish. After I received the product I tried it out on some jewelry that I wear every day and I was more than satisfied with the result with very little effort and using a Dremel with a felt buffing wheel. The jewelry I polished came out just as nice as if I would have taken them to a jeweler. Great product as far as grit goes though. Polishes way better than this expensive compound I bought that's made in France. Number 3. Chemical Guys GAP 11616. It's the ultimate paint restorer. This compound cuts deep to remove scratches, swirls, and more, leaving your paint looking its best. For perfect results, follow up with Chemical Guys P4 Polish. This is a fast-acting compound. It achieves amazing results in half the time of other products, saving you valuable time and effort. It's designed for tremendous results in the shortest time possible. It features consistent cut technology. This means you get ultimate control and predictable results every time, from start to finish. Enjoy consistent results with every use. Unlike other compounds, it produces virtually zero dust. This means less cleanup and more time spent perfecting your paint's finish. Enjoy a cleaner, more efficient detailing experience. It finishes down like a polish. It's developed to finish to perfection, unlike heavy-duty compounds that leave micromarring. It minimizes extra polishing steps for a flawless finish. What we like. This compound cuts deep to remove scratches and swirls, delivering amazing results quickly. It maintains a consistent cut from start to finish and produces virtually no dust. It finishes to perfection without leaving micromarring. If you need a fast and efficient way to restore your paint's shine, this is the choice for you. What people say. This product has proven to be an effective and reliable solution for correcting paint defects and restoring the original shine to vehicles. From light scratches to swirls and water spots, the C4 Clear Cut does an exceptional job in removing imperfections, leaving a smooth and glossy surface. It can be used both by hand and with an orbital polisher, making it suitable for a variety of detailing projects. Furthermore, its dust-free formula makes cleanup after use easy, saving time and effort. Number 2. SCOTTCHEN Buffing Compound Kit. This kit is perfect for achieving a smooth, mirror-like finish on various surfaces. It's your all-in-one solution for professional-looking results. It works wonders on stainless steel, iron, aluminum, brass, bronze, copper, silver, and gold. Easily polish and buff your metal projects to perfection. Simply apply it to your buffing wheel and let the heat and friction do the work. It's designed for effortless use with grinders, motors, or drills. Each compound is color-coded for easy identification. This makes it simple to choose the right grit for your project, from coarse to superfine. This kit contains 3 different grits: coarse, medium, and fine. You'll have everything you need to tackle any polishing job. Made with high-quality animal fat, it ensures a superior polish and long-lasting performance. Get professional results every time. What we like. This kit helps achieve a smooth and mirror finish on various surfaces. The compounds are color-coded for easy identification, progressing from coarse to superfine. It's designed for application on buffing wheels. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to polish your metal items, this is the one. What people say. It has 3 different grits, but find I use the red and green. I still get a mirror polish. With a little elbow grease, got that basin to shine like new again. Worked great for polishing brass sink drain. Number 1. 3D Metal Polish. It's a heavy-duty polish, cleaner, and protectant all in one. This product cleans, restores, and protects all your metal surfaces, making them look their best. It works great on chrome, aluminum, brass, silver, copper, and more. Use it on your wheels, diamond plates. It's incredibly versatile. It's designed for easy application and is safe for your surfaces. Just apply it to a soft cloth and scrub. This product gets deep into the surface to remove rust stains and oxidation. Say goodbye to unsightly blemishes. We have over 25 years of experience creating car care products. Experience the quality and trust that comes with it. Bring back the shine and luster to your metal surfaces with ease. It's the perfect solution for restoring your metal's beauty. What we like. This is a heavy-duty polish that cleans, restores, and protects all metal surfaces. It's easy to apply and safe on various materials. It removes rust stains and oxidation effectively. If you need a versatile and user-friendly polish for various metals, this is a great option. What people say. I polished the chrome on my Harley and it is brilliant. It also is a liquid. You only take a few drops on a cloth or microfiber towel and it does an incredible job. Gets the small scratches out, muffs the metal to a good shine. It does a great job on wheels. Make sure the metal is cool and not in direct sunlight. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.